Hello and a very warm welcome to my channel Shoaib World. Today I am back with a new informative video related to Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and in this video we will talk about the multi-window feature of this phone. So let's get started. First of all, open any application you use. Like I'm going to open YouTube here. I will have to just touch it from the upper right corner or the upper left corner. Like if I am going to scroll it from upper left corner, so I will scroll it to lower right corner, or if I am going to scroll it from upper right corner, so then I will scroll it to upper left corner, lower left corner. I will tap it and scroll it from upper, and you can see that it has shown me a window like we use to draw a screenshot in our PC. So this is the multi-window option. I will scroll it here and it will minimize. So you can touch it and scroll it down, or you can place it anywhere in your phone. Now I will open any other application, like I will open the Gmail, and I also scroll it down, and here you can see that I can use multi applications at the same time. So like this you can use many applications. Like I am going to open the Chrome, and if I want to minimize this also, I will use the same procedure. I will scroll it down from any upper corner of this phone, and it will scroll it down for me. So this is a very good feature of this phone, and it has also a new option that if you want to completely minimize this screen, so you will have to tap on this double arrow, and it will minimize it for you, and you can place it anywhere on your screen. So like I have minimized the Chrome, and now I will minimize this YouTube option. So I will touch on these double arrows, and it will also minimize this for me. So if you have multi minimized windows, tap on icon and it will show you that many of the options here. And if I minimize this Gmail also, so it will show me that it has many minimized features. So once again I am going to open my Facebook, and now if I want to minimize this, I will do the same procedure, and it will minimize the Facebook for me. And here you can minimize it completely. Now if you want to open any of the window, just tap on this icon you have minimized, and here you can see that it will show you all the minimized windows. Now touch any of the applications you have minimized. Let's say I am going to use now YouTube. I want to maximize the YouTube, so I will touch on the YouTube icon, and it will show me the window of the YouTube. So this is a very good feature of Samsung Galaxy Note 8. In the earlier phones like Samsung Galaxy Note 3 and Note 4 and Note 5 and those series lower than Note 8, this feature was not introduced, but in Note 8 this is a very brilliant and very magnificent feature of this phone, that you can use multi-window option and you can minimize many applications. Like I can say that if you want to minimize all the applications on your phone, it will minimize all the applications of your phone. Let's say I am going to now open the Twitter and I want to minimize it. I will do the same procedure, and it will minimize it for me, and I can pin it in the applications like here. So this is a very great feature of this phone, and I like this feature a lot. So if I want to close these applications, like I want to close the Twitter, just tap on the icon and press the or tap on the crossbar, and it will close this option. So here you can see I am tapping on the cross icon. And the other thing is, if you want to maximize this, like I say, I have opened this YouTube option, And now I want to maximize this. So you have to tap on the middle arrow up and down options. So here you can see that you can maximize this, and again if you want to minimize, you can minimize it from here. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I like this feature very well, and I can use many of the applications at the same time. I don't want to leave my work back. Just I have to do is to tap on the upper right or lower corner of this phone, and it will minimize me the screen, and I can use other option like Instagram or any other application you want to use. So this was the video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and please share this video to your friends and on your social media platforms as well. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I am signing out. Thank you very much for watching this video.